Okay, so we have over here 55% of the employees in this company, they are females. 40% of the males are taking part in a charity show. All the females are also taking part in a charity show. What percentage of the employees are taking part in the charity show? For this one, be very careful. Draw a model. If you cannot visualize it, do not just anyhow throw percentages around and start doing. Okay. Now let's draw a model. 55% of the employees are females. What does this tell us? It tells us that 45% are males. Okay. Then they said 40% of the males, which means it's 40% of the 45% are taking part in the charity show. Say all the females are taking part in the charity show, which means that 55% are taking part in the charity show. Now, draw the model. These are all the employees in the company. They said that 55% are females, so I'm going to put F over here, 55%, and M over here for 45%. Now, they said 40% of the males, which is 40% of the 45% are taking part. So I'm going to check out, I'm going to start writing 40% of the means multiplied by 45%. What will that give us? I'm going to use calculator for this portion. So as to save some time, you can do the same. And if you all do not want to do the calculator method, you want to do the manual labor, just go ahead and watch my previous video. I've already taught you all there. Okay, so 40% multiplied by 45%, that will give us 18%. Okay, so this 18% over here are taking part, and they said that all the females are taking part. So since this is 18% and this is 55%, we have to find out the grand total, right? Which is what percentage of the employees are taking part. So it will be 55% plus 18%, giving us a grand total of 73%. 73% of the employees are taking part in the charity. Done.